How to change your currency on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your currency on Etoro app. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to change the currency, you have to go here to the top corner and choose those three lines and then choose settings right here, and after that click on general. Then you have to go down and you will find the option of currency. Click on it like this and you will have many currencies right here that you can choose from in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.